Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here, and we are about to do a keto-friendly cheese bites, cheese crisp, pepperoni cheese crisp. How about just pepperoni and cheese? Either way it go, it's still keto-friendly. Alright, so you're going to need some pepperoni and your favorite cheese in a non-stick pan. Putting toppings on the pepperoni. I put the Mexican style cheese on there, and then I cut up a jalapeno so I can have a little spice, and then I added this flavorful McCormick's honey sriracha. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish that. Then I'm gonna put them in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 7 minutes. Well, after 8 minutes, this is what we get, and they really slide out of there easily. So your pepperoni has 0 carbs, your cheese has 1, and your jalapeno has none. And look at that one. Oh. Real life, y'all. Eat it. Yeah. Alright. So this is my keto pepperoni snack. No, I am not full keto. I'm just taking healthier options to eat. The finished pepperoni cheese snack. Alright, so check it out. It is 0 grams for carbohydrates for the pepperoni and 1 gram for the cheese. And of course the jalapeno doesn't have any. Now I am not fully keto, but I do want to make healthier choices. And you comment below. Let me know what you think of this cheese whiz, but it's like a cheese crisp, but it's on a pepperoni slice. Let me know what you think. Alright, this is your girl SJ here with Real Beauty, Real Food, and this is real life. Have a great day.